What's really exciting about this partnership with Microsoft is that we're combining previously separate and isolated capabilities.
We offer a variety of solutions on Microsoft's cloud technology that help untangle complex world problems.
By leveraging Microsoft's leading AI technology and KPMG's industry expertise, we deliver sustainable growth.
Our customers want to get to value faster. One of the ways we achieve that is with the generative AI capabilities powered by Microsoft Azure.
Microsoft makes it easy for partners to maximize the use of invested capital, build their solutions, as well as take them to market.
We believe in creating meaningful connections and sustainability to help our customers. And we are leveraging on the Microsoft Cloud technologies to get there.
We've been able to help retailers reinvent their premises in making those stores more connected with the end shoppers.
Microsoft is amazing at bringing together companies.
It has been a major and positive impact for the end consumer,
Bringing Microsoft goodness to companies and people all over.
And we're just getting started.